Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sports Info Now. In this video, we are going to talk about 5 WWE superstars who have creative controls right now. Nowadays, there are so many superstars present who are unhappy with WWE because of their poor booking on WWE TV. Superstars have no option but to adjust to it and wait for the right time to come because they sign multi-year deal with the company. Either some of WWE superstars right time comes when WWE really start to push them to the top title picture while others leave the company and join another one. There are also a few superstars in WWE in the past like Hulk Hogan, The Rock, and Triple H who have creative controls for their booking. So before we start the video, we request you to please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for instant video notification. So without further ado, let's start our video. Number 5 is Daniel Bryan. One of the most complete WWE superstars of PG era is Daniel Bryan has earned the match much trust and respect to hold creative rights of their own booking. Daniel Bryan is a complete package of amazing mic skill, incredible in-ring skills and sharp and creative mind. Fans always remember 2014 year when Daniel Bryan famous Yes Chants moments comes in their WrestleMania 30 season when fans literally hijacked WWE shows and even Royal Rumble pay-per-view with Yes Chants. Unfortunately, right after that, Daniel Bryan gave injured and take a forceful retirement. But after a few years, Daniel Bryan beat the odds and make his WWE historic WWE return. This time he back, but most of is a part-timer like superstar. WWE also saw some faith in Daniel Bryan's sharp mind and give him the creative control for his character and bookings. For a long time, after he returned WWE, almost everything we saw about Daniel Bryan on WWE TV is all about his idea and plans. Right now, WWE booking to put Daniel Bryan against Roman Reigns for the Universal Championship program. So we can expect Roman Reigns versus Daniel Bryan match for the Universal title at Royal Rumble 2021. Number 4 is Edge. This year at Royal Rumble 2020, we saw another historic WWE moment when Edge make his WWE return and fans are erupt when they see Edge come back to WWE. Fans are not expecting that Edge make his WWE return after a long 9 years. After making WWE return, he started a feud with Randy Orton. This rivalry one of the best of the year 2020. During the one of interview, Edge revealed that he cut the promos during his rivalry with Randy Orton were written by himself. Here is what Edge told about his promos. We have been left alone, and that's because I have been doing this for 25 years and Randy Orton has been doing it for 20. Nobody is going to be a right promo for me. That's all there it is to it. I don't work well, that why I think everyone understands that, but it looks years and years to proving that. Even backstage, Edge also become a part of the creative team for his storyline, promos and matches. Now fans again eagerly wait for the Edge WWE return after his tricep injury. So it's interesting to see after his WWE return which way Edge take his character. Number 3 is Pat McAfee. One more time fans are shocked when Pat McAfee make his way to WWE on the NXT brand. From day one he makes impact on the NXT brand as well as on the fans. WWE gives him a feud against top NXT star Adam Cole. WWE set the debut match of Matt Cafe against Adam Cole at NXT TakeOver 30, and it was just an awesome debut match of Matt McAfee. Pat McAfee make his name in that list of those superstars who were actually impressed with his debut feud and match in WWE. The way he cut promo during his feud and delivered a match against Adam Cole was just incredible. In one of his recent interviews, Pat McAfee revealed that even he is newcomer in WWE, he has creative control in the NXT brand. Here is what he says about the same. So there are a couple of conversations that happened because I fell down. So I got COVID tested on Sunday and Monday. Here in the independent police. So when I get my result back Tuesday, Wednesday, so if those two are negatives, so as many as so ends, here is Indian police. I hope on our plan literally as soon as so over and flew down to Orlando. So whenever I get down there, the audience are already in the Capital Wrestling Center. Right? So there are also a couple of quick conversation to make it happen like, hey, this is where we are at. Right now, Matt McAfee led the faction named the Kings of NXT alongside Oney Lorcan, Danny Burch and Pete Dunne. Number 2 is Bray Wyatt. Just like Daniel Bryan, it's well known that Bray Wyatt also has a sharp and creative mind in WWE. We saw many characters of Bray Wyatt in WWE in his whole career have been influenced by him. During his Eater of the World's gimmick, he brought almost his all promo and also gave amazing ideas about his character. Even in his current gimmick of the Fiend and his success, mostly credit goes to Bray Wyatt. All cryptic things and some different moves during his storyline were all pitched by Bray Wyatt to WWE. The good thing is WWE listened to Bray Wyatt and applied his idea on WWE TV. Bray Wyatt's father Mike Rotunda revealed Bray Wyatt's creative control in WWE in his one-off interview. Here is what Mike Rotunda says about his son. Some people, you can do stuff, enhance to a character and make it even bigger. It's like the character my oldest son does when he did Bray Wyatt. The kind of come up with themselves and it was develop the character and more and then went to doing a Fiend stuff and it was just who went them in. My elder son is good on the mic. He can talk well, speak well and he has a creative mind. Number 1 is Goldberg. Not so many occasions superstar creative control not going a positive result. We know that Goldberg is a WWE legend and one of the greatest wrestlers of all time. But if we see Goldberg's booking in the WWE last couple of years, then it was widely criticized. If we take a match of Goldberg versus The Undertaker or Goldberg versus The Fiend. After the match of Goldberg versus The Fiend, WWE news come out that it was a Goldberg's last minute influence that put him over from The Fiend. Goldberg was the one who asked for a change of the match result in the last moment because he feels that as he gets defeated, it's ruined his image. So maybe give creative control to those who have the not in the prime could be the risky decision. If we look at that match, then fans are furious on WWE. So WWE now not want to repeat that mistake again. It's a good thing that the Fiend character managed to recover from that loss and rise again. But it's also fact that the win over Goldberg that night would take the Fiend character to new level. So this is all from our today's video. Hope you will enjoy it. Before you leave, please do like, subscribe, share, comment and press the bell icon for instant video notifications. So see you guys in our next video.